Okay, so today we're going to just go briefly through a metaphorical comparison with the process of eating food, in this case, delicious slice of pizza, with how AI models end up processing raw data into information that they can actually use. So, left hand side, regular stages of digestion, right hand side here, AI model. And so when we think of information or really just the raw inputs, we think of, like, say, text. That text is the pizza that is in this person's hand. When we input it, we digest it, right? And the model ends up inputting it, and it turns that raw information into what are called tokens. So as we're chewing the pizza, that same chewed up bites turn into tokens. And those tokens become what is processed by the model. Now, and there's a lot more than that, but the big takeaway here is raw information, raw data is chewed by the model, digested, turned into tokens. The same way pizza becomes nutrients, so too raw data turns into tokens. And importantly, the way that information is spelled out by the arrangement of the words will dictate what the output is. So, for example, this is a prompt, and it's converted into 144 tokens or those different numbers. And there are multiple ways to answer this prompt. So let's say, right, so same question here, we're pulling the answer. All right, so answer number one places all these more, so let's say as a medical student, and those the numbers. So conversely, or rather, it's a different thing. We'll go ahead and looking into, let's say here, right, we're just adding in more information. So, some of those same words are different. They're different tokens now, right? And so even the same word, you'd say the word, say, like relationships. You see that a few times in this. Even that same word in the context, based on what's around it, will not be the same token. So it matters how we arrange the words. And yes, there is a cost component with more versus less tokens, but it's more about how to really combine both, the least amount of words that have the most correct answer. By and large, the costs are relatively negligible, but when you're training, it's getting high quality data, i.e. high quality food that end up ingested, i.e. tokenized, and then that is what drives the process. That's how the model, same way that we as people learn, grow, process, and just overall develop. All right. Well, that's it for this time. Tune in until next time.